Hi, this is Bob Wetterman from Best, coming to you today to talk to you about our Soldering 101 or Learning How to Solder Training Kit. This is a neat kit. It comes in a package where there's a label on the front of the container, and the parts themselves are in these different compartments and they're properly labeled. It also includes a circuit board. And we have on our website the instructions for what the end result should look like. We also have a service by which one of our master instructors can give a grade to somebody learning how to solder. This is a real life circuit that has some functionality. It's an executive decision maker, so the LEDs light up if the student has done everything properly. And it's a real world circuit board, unlike a lot of kits that you see out there. This circuit board actually has some thermal mass, so it's more real world in terms of soldering conditions. The component parts are both through hole as well as surface mount, and there's a little bit of a wiring project involved. All you need to do is add a battery and some time and knowledge, as well as some good instruction, and the Soldering 101 kit will be your solution to either screening people as they come into your business or learning how to do basic through-hole and SMT soldering. This has been Bob Wetterman from Best talking today about the through-hole and surface mount Soldering 101 or Learning How to Solder kit.